Guys, I have reached 1000 subscribers. You guys have supported me throughout. Thanks a lot. In the middle, there were so many negative comments and full of hatred, which kind of demotivated me. And I was like, let's leave this aside. But there were the other side of the people who motivated me and told me to keep going. That is why I am here right now. 1000 subscribers is a huge achievement for me, and I'd like to thank you guys for your support. You all are the real support system to me. Thanks a lot. And today we are going to talk about the crazy government and the crazy governance we are having in India. Recently, you are seeing a news in which Tablighi Jamaat people who were positive before for coronavirus became negative, and they are donating plasma for this experiment India is conducting.
सुल्तानपुरी क्वारंटीन सेंटर से फारूक बादशाह साहब तमिलनाडु के ये अपना प्लाज्मा डोनेट कर रहे हैं इंसानियत के लिए, अल्लाह के लिए, सुल्तानपुरी क्वारंटीन सेंटर से.
Why is the right wing silent now? Why? Why do they still criticize? Why do they say it's still a publicity stunt? Just kidding, man. These are the kind of words these right wing people use. You're like, why are the liberals silent now? Why are the liberals this now? So I'm just using their thing. But it's time to stop with this Hindu-Muslim thing, man. Like, just appreciate, criticize, do both and move on. Like, don't start digging into things. There are bigger issues to look into. Please. Now, in terms of handling the coronavirus pandemic, we are doing much better than before, and our testing also has gone up, but it's still not adequate because we are testing around 600 people per million people right now. So our rise is slow. That doesn't mean that we have dealt with the pandemic. बहुत आना बाकी है. Lockdown has to come up. After that, how you're going to handle it? Many issues are there that we'll see later on. In my previous video, I've spoken about how lockdown is not a solution and it's just going to buy government some time to implement new things, come up with new ideas in order to deal with the pandemic. And the more you increase the lockdown, it's going to affect the poor the most. Even though this lockdown is reducing the growth of coronavirus, it is coming with the cost of lives. And our battle is not only with the coronavirus, it is with communalism and also with the crisis of the poor. The condition of the poor is getting worse day by day, and around 200 people as of 13th April had died because of the lockdown, not because of coronavirus, because of the lockdown, due to issues like access to healthcare, no food, migrant worker issues, like because of them walking to their villages. 200 people. Now countries all over the world have allocated some percentage of their GDP for the stimulus package for the coronavirus. And countries have allocated like 10%, 20%, 5%. And India has allocated 0.8%, 1.75 lakh crores. That's it. Knowing that the major population of India is poor, this just shows bad governance, like how much you care for the poor. Now the issue was first with the stimulus package, which is 0.8%, and the second issue was the implementation. Implementation, even before in my videos I said that implementation is very difficult when you talk about giving free ration, giving money to the poor. There's a lot of corruption and nothing reaches to the ground level. Like how much they say on TV, like this is the case that we have allocated so much. Ground reality is very different.
ग्वालियर से कांग्रेस विधायक प्रवीण पाठक सरकारी राशन दुकान पर अचानक पहुंचे और 10 किलो आटे के पैकेट सामने तुलवाए. वजन हुआ तो हर पैकेट में करीब 1.5-2 किलो आटा कम पाया गया.
इसका वेट 6 किलो 452 ग्राम है, जबकि इन सारे पैकेट्स पर 10 किलो नेट वेट लिखा हुआ है.
आरोप लगे कि सरकार लगभग 70 लाख आटा पैकेट बांट रही है. इस लिहाज से लगभग 18,000 टन आटे की हेराफेरी से करोड़ों रुपए का घोटाला किया जा रहा है.
इस मौके पर तो हमको कम से कम ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि जो एक एक गरीब आदमी पूरा लॉकडाउन का नियमों से पालन कर रहा है, अपने घरों में बैठा हुआ है, प्रशासन की जब जिम्मेदारी है कि उनके घर में कम से कम राशन हम भेजें, बमुश्किल 10 किलो भेज पा रहे हैं, उसमें भी कटौती हो रही है. सरकार पेमेंट कर रही है 10 किलो का, गरीबों को आटा पहुंच रहा है 6 किलो, 7 किलो, 8 किलो. ये मध्य प्रदेश का नया घोटाला है, निर्धन निवाला घोटाला.
98% of the laborers didn't receive financial benefit. 98%. 96% people didn't receive dry ration. And 70% people didn't receive cooked food. That's why people are dying at such a bad rate. But this allocation of 1.75 lakh crores was done in the start of the lockdown. And since then, so many things have happened. So many people have died due to the lockdown. And still there's no news about more allocation of budget and all, even though you're failing. All over the world, like in China, you heard about Within few days, they built a new hospital. Like that lockdown, how they were utilizing it so crazy. There was so much appreciation of what China was doing. Countries improved on their testing. They rapidly started testing more people, started doing contact tracing, treating, so many things. Even we have utilized our time very properly. Very properly. We have done some amazing things too. हमने ताली बजाई, थाली बजाई. दिया जलाए. We wore coronavirus helmets to spread awareness on coronavirus. We even called Yamraj. To spread awareness on coronavirus.
तो मेरा दूध कोरोना हर लेगा तुम्हारे प्राण और तुम्हें ले जाएंगे यमलोक.
We told people to not buy fruits and vegetables from Muslims.
एक चीज ध्यान में रखिएगा, मैं सबको बोल रहा हूँ ओपन में, कोई भी मियाँ के यहाँ से सब्जी नहीं लेना.
Now this is the real damage control which we are doing. टेस्टिंग वगैरह, पुअर की हालत, वो सब तो क्या चालू है साइड में. But Yamraj and all these other things, these are the real damage control which other countries didn't get. So these are the things you need to do. Testing, tracing, healthcare, condition of poor, condition of doctors. हम ताली बजाएंगे, हम थाली बजाएंगे, हम दिए जलाएंगे, हम मन की बात करेंगे, हम सेंट्रल विस्टा प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे, हम डियरनेस अलाउंस काटेंगे, हम पीएम केयर्स खोलेंगे पर कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे. You know PM cares won't be audited by the government, so it's going to be an independent audit. So cool. See, now all these things I've criticized, that tali bajana, coronavirus helmets and Yamraj and all that. Like you should do that, I get it. Like you want to spread awareness and all these things, good. You want to unite the people, good. It's a good thing. But other than that, you have some other responsibilities which you have to look at. That is the doctors, the poor, the economy, other things. It's just not the coronavirus we have to handle right now. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.